What's up, everybody? My name is Vince, and in today's video, we're going to share with you 3 new game-changing Ryobi tools that professional plumbers will not be able to ignore. First up, we have Ryobi's USB Lithium 3-foot Drain Auger Kit. It's product number FVPC55K. It says easily clear clogs up to 3 foot without harsh chemicals. This all-new USB Lithium Drain Auger is a versatile tool that is perfect for every household. The replaceable reinforced 3-foot cable provides improved performance and longer life compared to plastic drain snakes and eliminates the need for harsh chemicals. With its multi-directional spin, this auger easily grabs and removes stubborn clogs, making drain cleaning a breeze. Designed for clearing clogs in bathroom and kitchen sinks, showers, and bathtubs, the rubber handle ensures a comfortable, mess-free experience while controlling the cable, and the quick connect collar allows for seamless attachment. The Drain Auger boasts an IPX7 water resistance rating, allowing for submersion in water up to 3 foot for 30 minutes. When the job is done, the compact design stores in an included bag and can be kept in a drawer or cabinet. Powered by the Ryobi USB Lithium battery, best of all, this Drain Auger is part of the Ryobi USB Lithium system that provides compact, rechargeable, everyday solutions for cordless power and productivity. It includes an FVB02 USB Lithium 2 amp hour battery, which features an onboard fuel gauge and allows for mobile device charging via USB Type-C. The USB Lithium 3-foot Drain Auger is backed by a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. As this 3-foot Drain Auger becomes available, you'll be able to find it down at the YouTube shopping button. I will let you know that it has a price of $59.97. Let's move on. The 18-volt ONE+ 25-foot Drain Auger. It's model number PCL456B. It's tool only. It says clears up to 2-inch pipes for showers, bathtubs, and sinks. This all-new Drain Auger is the quick, easy-to-use solution for clearing clogs in up to 2-inch pipes. Designed for convenience, users can confidently tackle plumbing issues with ease, saving time, money, and the frustration of expensive repairs. The included 1/4-inch cable is perfect for clearing clogs in showers, bathtubs, and sinks. Featuring both manual and auto cable feed retract settings, cable control is enhanced for smooth and efficient operation. The enclosed drum ensures a mess-free experience, while the ergonomic portable design allows for comfortable use. The cable lock feature allows for manual removal of stubborn clogs, while the durable reinforced cable prevents kinks. An included onboard LED work light allows users to work in dimly lit areas with ease. This Drain Auger is compatible with the Ryobi Link wall system for convenient and organized storage when the job is done. Best of all, the Drain Auger is part of the Ryobi 18-volt ONE+ system of over 300 cordless products that all work on the same battery. It's got a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, and included is the 18-volt 25-foot Drain Auger and operator's manual. So it is tool only, so you'll have to provide your own battery and charger. This 25-foot Drain Auger has a MSRP of $89. Let's move on to the big boy. It's funny, like, we're starting to see some crossover from Milwaukee Tool and Ryobi more frequently. A lot of you had said that when we released this video here, which was the new jump starter from Milwaukee Tool, that it was actually identical to the Ryobi jump starter. So it went from Ryobi to Milwaukee. This drain snake looks very similar to the Milwaukee drain snake, but it looks like it actually has some better features than the Ryobi drain snake. I don't know that I'm sure that Milwaukee's not going to abandon this style of drain auger, but compared to the one that I actually have, the Milwaukee, this one looks like it has some better features in my opinion. This is product number PCL457B. This is Ryobi's ONE+ 35-foot Drain Auger. It says clears up to 3-inch pipes for toilets, floor drains, and main stacks. This all-new Drain Auger delivers a powerful, easy-to-use solution for tackling heavy-duty clogs in pipes up to 3 inch in diameter. Engineered for performance, it turns tough plumbing jobs into quick, hassle-free fixes, saving time, money, and the frustration of expensive repairs. Compatible with both 1/4 inch and 5/16 cable drums, this auger is suitable for both household and professional applications. So they're saying this is a pro solution. The 1/4 inch cable drum is perfect for clearing clogs in showers, bathtubs, and sinks, while the 5/16 cable drum unclogs toilets, floor drains, and main stacks. Featuring both manual and auto cable feed retract settings, cable control is enhanced for smooth and efficient operation. The enclosed drum ensures a mess-free experience, while the ergonomic portable design allows for comfortable use. The cable lock feature allows for manual removal of stubborn clogs. The durable reinforced cable prevents kinks, and included onboard LED work light allows users to work in dimly lit areas with ease. This drain auger is compatible with Ryobi Link wall system for convenient and organized storage when the job is done. Best of all, this drain auger is part of the Ryobi 18-volt ONE+ system of over 300 cordless products that all work on the same battery. This tool is backed by Ryobi's 3-year manufacturer's warranty. So you're getting the snake, you're getting the actual drum, and it comes with a 35-foot 5/16 snake or drum, whatever you want to call it. You're going to need to buy a battery and a charger. This one has a price of $179. Let me know down in the comments section below. I mean, here's the thing. Ryobi is going pro with this one. This is not, it could be used by homeowners, DIYers, but they're saying this is for pros. And like I said, they've done a study that, I have to look at the study again. I can't remember. Is it 30% or 70%? I think it's 70% of professionals have at least one. 70% of professionals have at least one homeowner DIY level of or grade tool on their truck for outliers. Steve Gale says, I want the flex drain snake. Do they have a flex drain snake? JPS says, I'm a red guy, but the price is attractive. In Go Tool Reviews. What's up, my friend? Says, interesting. Listen, here's the deal, everybody. Ryobi seems to be making inroads into the professional segment of tools with certain HP and Whisper offerings. As Milwaukee Tool seems to become priced higher and higher, would Ryobi be an option for you? Is it something you'd consider? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. I hope to see you all on the next live stream, which should be tomorrow or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday or Saturday, because we've been running more live streams lately. I appreciate every single one of you for tuning in. I hope to see you all on the next one. Thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great night, day, evening, life, week, year.